This is dog and its puppy, dog's family. This is cat and its kitten, cat's family. This is cow and its calf, cow's family. This is buffalo and its calf, buffalo's family.
Dane was the max's dominance fortunately. This the bloom of temple that like will be a name.
This is sheep and its lamb, sheep's family. This is horse and its foal, horse's family. This is donkey and its foal, donkey's family. This is pig and its piglet, pig's family. This is rabbit and its kit, rabbit's family. This is hen and its chick, hen's family. This is goose and its gosling, goose's family. This is duck and its duckling, duck's family. This is turkey and its poult, turkey's family. This is pigeon and its squab, pigeon's family.
This is camel and its calf, camel's family.
This is yak and its calf, yak's family. This is ox and its calf, ox's family.
This is reindeer and its calf, reindeer's family.
This is llama and its cria, llama's family.
This is lion and its cub, lion's family.
This is tiger and its cub, tiger's family.
This is leopard and its cub, leopard's family.
This is cheetah and its cub, cheetah's family. This is panther and its cub, panther's family.
This is elephant and its calf, elephant's family. This is giraffe and its calf, giraffe's family. This is zebra and its foal, zebra's family. This is deer and its fawn, deer's family.
This is moose and its calf, moose's family.
This is elk and its calf, elk's family. This is bear and its cub, bear's family. This is panda and its cub, panda's family. This is wolf and its pup, wolf's family.
This is fox and its kit, fox's family.
This is hyena and its cub, hyena's family.
This is jackal and its pup, jackal's family.
This is monkey and its infant, monkey's family.
This is gorilla and its infant, gorilla's family. This is chimpanzee and its infant, chimpanzee's family.
This is kangaroo and its joey, kangaroo's family.
This is koala and its joey, koala's family. This is hippopotamus and its calf, hippopotamus's family. This is rhinoceros and its calf, rhinoceros's family. This is crocodile and its hatchling, crocodile's family. This is alligator and its hatchling, alligator's family. This is tortoise and its hatchling, tortoise's family. This is turtle and its hatchling, turtle's family. This is snake and its hatchling, snake's family. This is eagle and its eaglet, eagle's family.
This is hawk and its chick, hawk's family. This is owl and its owlet, owl's family.
This is parrot and its chick, parrot's family. This is swan and its cygnet, swan's family. This is peacock and its peachick, peacock's family. This is flamingo and its chick, flamingo's family.
This is penguin and its chick, penguin's family.
This is ostrich and its chick, ostrich's family. This is dolphin and its calf, dolphin's family. This is whale and its calf, whale's family.
This is seal and its pup, seal's family.
This is sea lion and its pup, sea lion's family. This is walrus and its calf, walrus's family. This is otter and its pup, otter's family.
This is bat and its pup, bat's family.
This is squirrel and its kit, squirrel's family. This is rat and its pup, rat's family. This is mouse and its pup, mouse's family. This is beaver and its kit, beaver's family. This is skunk and its kit, skunk's family. This is raccoon and its kit, raccoon's family. This is porcupine and its porcupet, porcupine's family. This is hedgehog and its hoglet, hedgehog's family. This is antelope and its calf, antelope's family.
This is bison and its calf, bison's family.
This is wombat and its joey, wombat's family.
This is armadillo and its pup, armadillo's family. This is sloth and its baby, sloth's family.
This is lemur and its infant, lemur's family.
This is meerkat and its pup, meerkat's family.
This is lemur and its infant, lemur's family.
This is meerkat and its pup, meerkat's family. This is badger and its cub, badger's family. This is weasel and its kit, weasel's family.
This is mole and its pup, mole's family.
This is lizard and its hatchling, lizard's family. This is frog and its tadpole, frog's family. This is toad and its tadpole, toad's family. This is butterfly and its caterpillar, butterfly's family. This is ant and its larva, ant's family. This is bee and its larva, bee's family. This is spider and its spiderling, spider's family. This is crab and its zoea, crab's family. This is octopus and its larva, octopus's family.
This is shark and its pup, shark's family.
This is seahorse and its fry, seahorse's family.
This is salmon and its fry, salmon's family. This is salmon and its fry, salmon's family.
This is owl monkey and its infant, owl monkey's family.
This is wild boar and its piglet, wild boar's family.
This is Arctic fox and its kit, Arctic fox's family.